Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class of 2nd standard ICSE. Today we are going to continue the unit 3 subtraction. Today's class we are going to write in the book only, children. So take your pencil, sharp your pencil, and we can start the exercise 3.3 in page number 44. First thing is read the question. Keep your finger in the book and read the question, children. First A. Subtract and check the answer by addition. Draw a simile if your answer is correct. So smiley we wanted to draw if your answer is correct. That's a question. Okay, children. So listen here. The first one is we are going to do the subtraction. Second thing is we are going to do the checking of subtraction by addition. See the arrow mark, children. For each sum they given a arrow mark here. So we wanted to draw the smiley face. Okay, children. Here first sum is 38 minus 11. So start do the subtraction from ones place number onwards. 8 minus 1. So 8 in your mind, take one finger and say before 8. Otherwise, you can count it over that with the fingers. So 8 minus 1. So 8 before 1 is 7. Next 3 in your mind, take one finger. 3 before 2. So 27 is the answer. Now we are going to do the checking. See the arrow mark, the first arrow mark is going from the answer 27 and the second arrow mark is a straight arrow from the subtraction number 11. So now we can do the addition. How to do the addition? Ones place number 7 plus 1. 7 in your mind, take one finger. After 7, it is 8. Next 2 in your mind, take one finger. After 2, it is 3. So the answer is 38. Check your answer. This is the answer we got. So both the numbers are the greater number in the subtraction. The answer in the subtraction both are equal. So you can draw the smiley face over here. Coming to the second question. One more question for you. 75 minus 38. So 5 minus 8. Which is possible, dear? No, because 5 is a smaller number than 8. So we have to keep it in our mind and we need to do the borrow from the next 10th place number. Here 10th place number is 7. From 7 we took 1 as a borrow. So now in our hand 5 become 15. So we can subtract 15 minus 8. 15 in your mind, take 8 finger, say before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So the answer is 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. Next 6 minus 3. 6 in your mind, take 3 finger. After before 6, 5, 4, 3. 3 is the answer. Okay, children. Now we complete the subtraction. We are going to do the checking. The answer. See the arrow mark. The answer should come first. And the second number in the subtraction should come direct to the answer. And we can do the addition now. Start from ones place number. 7 in your mind, take 8 finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 should be written here and 1 should be carry over. 1 plus 3 plus 3. It is 7. 75. So which is the biggest number in the subtraction? 75 minus 38 we did know. So we got the answer of 75. So similarly, you can try the remaining sums in this book, page number 44, children. Next one is exercise 3.4. We are going to deal with the word problem. First, We must know what is a word problem and what are the steps we have to keep it in our mind when we are dealing with the word problem. Listen children, there were 49 people in the bus. 25 got off at the Qutub Minar. See the picture here. One Qutub Minar picture is given. No, tall building. That is the Qutub Minar. Okay. How many were left in the bus? That is a question. So how many left means we need to do the subtraction. Totally how many people are went? That is 49. So how many are went into the Qutub Minar? It is 25. Remaining how many is there? That is the question. So first step is read the question twice. Second step is underline the important information. So here 49 people, 25 people, that is the information. Okay, step 3 to find it out how many people left in the bus, it is subtraction. Okay children, do the subtraction. Start from ones place number. 9 minus 5, 9 in your mind, take 5 finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 4 is the answer. Next 4 in your mind, take 2 finger. Before 4, 3, 2. 2 is the answer. Okay children, we'll go to the exercise now. Exercise 3.4 in page number 45, we are going to deal with the word problem. So solve this word problem. We are going to do it in the book itself. Okay children, read the question. 16 children are in the playground. 11 are girls. How many are boys? That is the question. So totally we have 16 children. In that girls how many they given and boys we need to find it out. 16 minus 11. Start from a ones place number. 6 minus 1 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. So there are 5 boys. First question over. Second question. There were 85 chilies on the plant. 9 chilies fell. How many chilies are left in the plant? That is a question. Totally we have 85 chilies minus 9 chilies fell down. How many is there? Fell down it is 9. Next remaining how many is there? That's a question. Do the subtraction. Start from ones place number. 5 minus 9. It is not possible. Get the borrow from the 10th place number. So now we have 15. 15 minus 9. Start, say the 15 in your mind. Take 9 finger. Say the before number 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay children, so 6 is the answer. Next is 7 minus no number is there. You can write it as it is 7. So 76 chilies left in the plant. Fourth sum, there are 24 rose bushes in the park. 5 bushes have red roses. How many bushes do not have red roses? That's a question. So totally we have 24 rose bushes. In that 5 are red. So remaining is, start with the subtraction. 24 minus 5, it is 19. So 19 bushes have not have red roses. Okay. Next, fourth question. Tanya is 9 years old. His grandmother is 72 years old. How many years old is Tanya? Grandmother than Tanya. Okay, children. Tanya's grandmother is older than Tanya. We know that, no? So, grandmothers have more ages. Yes, it is 72. And Tanya age is 9. So, what is the difference between them? It is 63. Grandmothers older than Tanya. That is the question. Next one is in page number 46. We have addition and subtraction facts. So this also we are going to do it in the book itself, children. Recall the addition and the subtraction facts. We know already addition fact and the subtraction fact. Now we are going to recall the things using the pictures given here. So look at the picture. 9 plus 7 equal to 16 is given. So 7 plus 9 also 16. We read the addition fact. So now we can do the subtraction. 16 minus 9 also 7. 16 minus 7 we'll get 9. That is also a subtraction fact. Okay children, coming to the fill in the blanks to complete the addition and the subtraction fact. They given the fill with a circle. We are going to fill. Next one is a box plus box is equal to 13. We have a clue in the subtraction fact children. Listen here. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 6 plus 7 also 13. So the subtraction fact also we will find it out easily. Coming to the use the three numbers to write the related addition and the subtraction fact. So as we know, 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Then 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Coming to the second thing is 4, 8, 12. 3 number is given. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 minus 4 equal to 8. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Coming to the third question, 5, 14, 9. So 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Next one is 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. See children, the given bigger number should be answer in the addition and the bigger number should be subtracted with the smaller number. We will get the another number. So 3 number is given means choose the smaller number and write the addition fact. 6, 9 means add 6 and 9 we will get 15. For the subtraction we have to subtract 15 minus 6. The answer is 9. 15 minus 9 the answer is 6. I think you people can understand this one. Do the book page number 46. Okay children, we will complete the 3 exercise today. So remaining things we will see in the next class. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you children.